Yo, I am too silly to be on a public thing. Hi beauties, how are you doing? It's me, Evie, and I have a collab with Bloomchic to talk about. And I'm pretty darn excited about it, actually. So, for summer, what do we love to wear most of all? A comfortable t-shirt. Now, let's talk about it. Being a big girl and finding good t-shirts is hard. Let me tell you. Now, from a girl that owns one too many t-shirts, not really. Let me tell you, you sometimes buy shirts that you know will not fit you correctly just because you really, really want the design on the shirt. I'm terrible about this. I see a band shirt. I know it might be a little tight, but I buy it anyway, especially if it's a band that, I covet. I shouldn't covet. I shouldn't. It's wrong. Shame on me. Any who's it and what's it. I love a t-shirt. I love a good t-shirt. It's just not anything more comfortable than some shorts and a t-shirt, or a skirt and a t-shirt, or a dress with a t-shirt over it, or pants or jeans. T-shirts are everything. And I own a lot, I will be honest. Probably too many. But not many, maybe 3 that I can think of, that fit me like most people can have a t-shirt fit them. Now, I have on a Bloomchic t-shirt. I'm going to move the camera just a minute so you can see it. You'll also be seeing it here in just a minute. But this shirt fits so nicely. It's very good structure. The neck isn't too big or too small, which is a bad quality of a brand that we all use for t-shirts. Theirs is either way too big or way too small. This one is perfect. Perfect. It's like so perfect. Okay, I'm going to stop. And I just feel like it's a good quality. Like it has some stretch to it, but you don't have to stretch it when you put it on. Literally, it just went on and it feels like butter. No, it doesn't feel like butter. Why do we say it feels like butter? Does anybody else slide into butter daily? No. Why do we say that? It's weird. Stop saying it. I'm talking to me. Yeah. Okay. So I wanted to show you the rest of these t-shirts, and let's just talk a little bit about them. This one is totally me. It's a little tie-dye number. It's like reddish pink with like the purple mauve decal things on it. It's just like a flower in a stamp pattern, and it says keep going, keep blooming at the bottom. I don't know if I want to. Okay, let's just take that in a mental health perspective and not like blooming other ways. I think this is a great mental health shirt. I like it a lot. It's my colors, and I feel very comfortable in it. I will be wearing this so much. Do you hear me? So much. So get ready for it. The next shirt is a white t-shirt, and as per norm, the white shirt was the smallest fitting of them all. Now, it did not go to any extreme. It still fit me. It was still comfortable. The arms still did what the arms needed to do. The neck did what the neck needed to do. But when it come down to pulling it down, it was a little bit tighter on my frame. I don't know why that is with white shirts. Some people say it's with black shirts too, but I haven't experienced it with black shirts. Generally, to me, black shirts are usually larger, but white is always the smallest made. It's just a simple white t-shirt, great quality, with a pretty flower pattern. I could see this on a soccer mom trying to be a little bit more mature, tucked in halfway, baseball cap, cute little jeans or shorts. Can totally see it. Not exactly my style, but it's cute. It's cute and it's good quality. Now, this last one is my favorite. And again, I am not a tan or khaki wearing person. I would have never picked this up outside these circumstances because I would have been like, that is totally going to look horrible on me. But it does not. I thought it would wash me out, but I think the color, the contrast, the two colors together is really nice. It says kindness is golden, and then it has a Dalmatian on it, which makes me think of when I was a teenager and my bestie had a boyfriend who I kind of liked before she did, but it was all good. And he had a Dalmatian dog, and he would always say, oh, be careful, she's mean, blah, blah, blah. And I'd be like, step aside, let the dog whisper, talk to her. Anyway, I remember that dog, and I liked that dog a lot. So that kind of gives a fond memory of my past. And also, it gives me a new color I can wear. This also fits beautifully. The quality, look at that. Like, the quality is so good. I'm so in love with these shirts. I can't say it enough. They're long enough to wear with leggings, like I said, and they're good quality. You're gonna look put together when you wear these shirts. I'm a fan of this shirt as well. This is an orange. I didn't think that I was going to like this shirt because of it being orange, but turns out it's adorable. This is actually the first one I tried on, and I was like, you can't get any better than this. It says, wild about you. And it has like a little cat tiger thing on it and some flowers. And this shirt, some reason, it pulled out my non-existing tan. No, I don't know. It's comfortable. I think this one was like probably the biggest filling on me. You know, t-shirts can be the same size and they not all fit you the same. Well, I do think this one was the loosest fitting one, but this one I have on and this one are very similar in how they fit. I love this shirt. It's so cute. It's so outside the box of what I would normally wear. Also, could totally see this with shorts or jeans. And it's even long enough for leggings, ladies. You know how you want to wear your leggings, but you're like, I don't have a shirt long enough to wear my leggings? These shirts are long enough to wear your leggings. Trust. So, that is this one. I had said told Bloomchic that I wasn't really able to wear their shorts, but they sent a pair anyway, and they're the paper bag shorts. Honestly, I didn't put them on. Maybe I could squeeze into them. I mean, I don't know, but I doubt it. But my leg is like done for the day, and I'm not gonna try to get these on. But they have a lovely little tie. You can tie it on the side. You can tie it in the front. You can tie it in the back. You can tie it wherever you want. You can leave it hanging. But this pair of shorts, I do believe, was made to go with this t-shirt. So let's just, you know, hold it up if I can. I'm all over the place here. So see how cute that would be. Let's see. See, it's supposed to be like that. Yeah. So cute. So anyway, that is the shirt. I've got 2, 3. I have 4 t-shirts. And I love it. Okay, so 3 of them I really, really love. The white one I would be willing to part with. Now this is the last thing in this haul, and it is this beautiful t-shirt material, and it's purple. I would say it's a nightgown, but honestly you could wear it as a dress. It has pockets. I will be wearing this as a day dress. It says grow your own way, and it's just got some like flowers in black, and then of course the writing is white. I mean, what else more can we ask for than a normal length t-shirt with pockets and no sleeves? This is like everyday summer wear right here, people. Can you imagine like going to the beach wearing it over your swimsuits, or coming home and showering and just slipping into this and letting things dry and air out and, you know, things. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed my input about these t-shirts. Bloomchic, you're doing a good job. You are making such a big difference for so many people. We are able to have clothes that we've wanted, and just nobody has seemed to get it right. Price point, quality, but you're doing it. You're doing it hard, and frankly, I'm very thankful for it. Thank you, Bloomchic, for this gifting. Thank you, beauties, for watching, and remember, Esther Noor 15 at checkout. I bet you thought I was going to say, and remember to be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to hear when I've got something to say next time. And, you know, feel like commenting, give me a comment. I would love that. I would love to talk back to you and see what's going on. I'm going to go now. I have some more things to do today that I just have to get done. So I hope all of you have a good rest of your day, and love you bunches. Mwah.